Hello everyone! Today, Essence came out with a new product and we're going to be trying it. I love Essence, guys. It's a really good brand that's very affordable at the drugstore. We are going to be trying the Essence Jelly Grip Under Eye Primer Stick. I don't know about grippy for under eye, but we're gonna try it. So let's scan this before we get into that. Hello, my name is Josie and I do lifestyle slash videos, lifestyle slash beauty, anything in the beauty realm on this channel. If you would like to join the Glam Fam, let me know. Let me know. What am I gonna do? Bring you in. Wow. Okay. If you would like to join the Glam Fam, please hit that subscribe button down below and click the bell so you get notified every time I upload. All right, so let's go on to the Ulta app and scan this product. Cat hair everywhere. All right. Jelly Grip Under Eye Primer Stick. Meet your concealer's new bestie. Essence Jelly Grip Under Eye Primer Stick infused with hyaluronic acid and panthenol. Two great ingredients. This refreshing primer hydrates, smooths, and preps your under eyes for a flawless crease-free finish. La, la, la. Ideal for concealer base, moisturizes and provides a refreshing feel. Convenient use thanks to the handy stick format and an instant cooling burst. This is only $4.99 and you get 0.16 ounces of product. And you guys already know Essence is a very affordable brand in the drugstore, and let's jump into it. So this is what the product looks like. We open it just like so. It has a little, I don't really smell anything. Okay, all right, well, let's go in and just pat this under the eye. Now this is really exciting for me because you guys know I am not getting younger and my eyes are very, that's like one of the, ooh, it is sticky. Okay, I was not expecting it to actually be like tacky. Whoa. All right, automatically I can tell you it's not messing with my foundation that I have already applied, which is great because I'm actually reviewing this foundation, and if it would have ruined it, I would have had to take it all off again and start all over. So it looks great over the foundation. It's not peeling it up. It's not rubbing it. It looks good. All right. So what I was saying was my under eyes are my most insecure part of my face. That's what I was trying to say. All right, let's go in with my concealer, and it's just a concealer that I love, that I use often. If I can find it. Hello. Here's my concealer. Please hold. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so this is the Tarte Shape Tape in Radiant. This is 22N. I love this concealer because it's more of it is a little brightening, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look smoother than normal, if I'm being honest. But maybe, since it's a tacky primer, its job is to make sure your concealer stays in place. Which, do I really have problems with my concealer not staying in place? I mean, I guess sometimes. All right, that looks pretty good, guys. And I am seeing a little bit of peeling up against, like, right by my eye, but I don't know if that's really the primer. I'm gonna take whatever is left over the eye as well, because we are gonna be doing eyeshadow. All right, that doesn't look bad, but what I'm really scared of is when we set this, what's it gonna look like? All right, so I'm gonna go in with my Polite Society powder. We're just going to, it's so smoky in here now, or smoky powder. All right, we're just gonna set a little bit underneath the eyes. I don't do really a heavy setting on my face anymore because I'm super dry. I don't know, is it more blurred than normal? Because Polite Society is one of my jams when it comes to setting my under eyes because I love the way it feels and it's super fine and blurring. I'm gonna also bring this on the eye as well. All right, well, it's not peeling anywhere, which is really good. I don't know, what do you guys feel? Do you feel like my under eyes are more smooth? All right, well, I guess we will see as the day goes on. All right, let me finish the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. All right, guys, here is the finished makeup look, and I will be honest, it does feel nice underneath the eyes. I don't know if it was more blurring for the concealer. I feel like it looks normal. So if you are someone with really, really dry under eyes, I see this being a very good product for you. If you are oily, I also see this being a good product for you because it's kind of tacky and it holds on to the product. Does it look different than what I do my concealer like just regularly? No, I don't think it does, but I'm gonna have to try it a couple more times to be completely sure of that. It did not mess with my makeup, which I was really scared of, but it did give me some nice hydration underneath the concealer. I do think a lot of people will love this for underneath their eyes. And even if it is not for me, it could be for you. So don't let anyone's thoughts or reviews shy you away from trying something that you really, really want to try. That is it for this review, guys. If you did like it, give it a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all so much. Bye! Mwah.